After you watch the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hi, welcome to the Quadrilla Construction Company. I'm Evan, and I will be taking you through how Quadrilla Marble Runs work, with the types of blocks, parts, track, and other interesting things about Quadrilla. If you want to build a Quadrilla Marble Run, these are the videos to go to. When you open the Quadrilla set, you can get a variety of blocks and track along with a bag of marbles and accelerators. This video will be all about them. We will introduce you to the different types of blocks and accelerators that you can use while you're building your Quadrilla. Let's start with the basic blocks and then get more advanced. This is the block you will use the most often. This is the yellow block. This lets the marble drop from above and get onto the next piece of track from the side. The orange block only drops the marble from top to bottom. There are two types of red block. The red block with a gray circle could send the marble two directions, one at a time, because of a toggle at the center. The other red block has the same switch style, but it lets marbles come out on two adjacent sides. This block would be the block to use if you want tracks to be on the corner. The blue block has the same mechanism as the yellow block, but also it lets marbles go on another track from one side to the bottom. The green and teal blocks are somewhat similar. The green block is like the blue block, but marbles can exit this block on two sides instead of one. The teal block lets marbles roll on one side of the track to another.
The green and teal blocks also have the same mechanism as the yellow block.
The natural block is a hybrid of the green and orange blocks. Marbles can get onto the next track from the top or the two sides. The black block has a tunnel opening, and it also has the mechanism of the orange block, possibly making it a hybrid of the orange and teal blocks. However, it is only found on older rail sets. Now let's get you into the plug. The plug has the same properties as the teal block, making marbles roll from one side to another. However, if you want to use plugs all the time, the marbles might not be fast enough. You might think the track needs to be inclined, but it only makes the track less stable. To fix this problem, HAPE has made accelerators on holes and the lines of the track, making marbles go faster.
Can you see the difference of the marble speed when used on accelerators?
Quadrilla is a marble powered on kinetic energy instead of gravity. That was the basics about how Quadrilla works. Stay tuned for the next episode of the QCC, where we introduce a slim block called the purple plate. This is Evan, signing out.